Yonka? Is that you?
Is it Yonka? Yonka is muted.
Hello. Yonka? Are
We're
you putting my
touching hands with Yonka?
What?
Huh?
No, that's not me.
That's not Yonka? This is
I'm
just
on-
random?
Yeah, I'm on the bottom.
Oh, damn.
Look,
Oh my
okay. Oh,
God.
you're the blue one.
I'm
Okay.
no,
Why is
no,
this person
one. I'm
running
on the,
from me?
you want- if you see a
I
hand
see,
that's
I
like,
see, I see, I see.
yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me. That's
Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, it's just the
Yeah, this one.
Why
This
you
one.
running?
Oh my God. I touched a
This one's
stranger's
me.
hand.
Oh my God.
Mm.
Cooties.
Why are they running away from me?
Somebody from this server? Like, what's going on?
It has to be. Right? What are they doing?
No. Oh my
I
goodness.
want to see what they're cooking.
They're cooking. Whoa, let's go. Woo.
Let's go.
He's probably so shocked right now.
You stole my base.
What?
I can't.
Oh,
I can't
me?
work either way.
I'm so sorry.
Kill stolen.
I'm sorry. I saw where it went. Can I-
You taking a piece?
Pace cord in shambles.
What the fuck is happening?
Yoko.
You taking a piece?
I-
So Vid, what did you say? It's still in my brain. I'm
Okay,
still
fine,
very
fine.
curious.
It's so stupid because I said it so nonchalantly and then Ari's like no comment and then mutes the sound. I'm like, what the fuck? It goes like this. I was just like, I like the sound. I wish it was a different sound, but I don't know. It reminds me of them hentai games I played once, and it just makes that slap sound. And that's it. That's all I said.
Oh, you know what? It
Oh.
is very similar.
I'm telling you. Doesn't it
Only
sound like it?
once?
Yeah. It's like, yeah, it's like the
Yeah.
ass slap sound. You hear that?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's very similar. Yeah, for sure.
Okay, I'm so glad I'm not on. We're on the same boat here. Sailing the same boat, boys.
Putting that
Boing.
naughty puzzle piece back in its place.